Welcome to this journey of healing and self-discovery. If you're here, it's because you've chosen to heal the hurt of the past and reclaim the joy, innocence, and freedom that is your birthright. As you listen to these affirmations, I invite you to speak them gently to your inner child, allowing every word to wrap around you like a warm, comforting embrace. Remember, this is not just a practice of the mind, but also of the heart. Give permission to your conscious mind to let these affirmations penetrate deeply into your subconscious, giving it the healing touch it has been yearning for. This is your moment, your journey. Embrace it, cherish it, and most importantly, let the healing begin. Repeat after me. I am not my past. I am my potential. No matter what happened to me, I am worthy of love, happiness, and respect. Today, I break the cycle of pain and start creating a life of happiness and love. Dear inner child, I protect you now. You are safe. You are loved. I am nurturing my inner child with love and understanding. I acknowledge and validate my inner child's feelings and experiences. I am safe now, and I am in control of my life. Even though there is pain, I truly and deeply love and accept myself. I let go of the pain of my past and embrace the potential of my future. My inner child is strong and resilient. I have the power to heal and comfort my inner child. I I forgive those who have harmed me and release them from my life. We are free from each other. I create a safe and welcoming space for my inner child. Dear inner child, hold my hand. I am here for you. You are forever safe now. I am not defined by the actions of others. I am defined by my strength and compassion. I trust myself to make the right decisions for my well-being. I am not alone. Universal love surrounds me. I am strong enough to face my past and heal. I forgive. I let go. I am free to fulfill my potential now. I deserve a peaceful, fulfilling life. Dear inner child, I love and accept you unconditionally. I am letting go of my past and focusing on my present. I am proud of the person I am becoming. I am transforming my pain into strength and resilience. A feeling of peace and tranquility comforts my being. I embrace all aspects of myself, including my inner child. I am releasing all negative emotions attached to my past. My voice matters and my feelings are valid. I am creating new, positive memories for my inner child. I am filled with love, compassion, and understanding. I am healing and moving forward with positivity. I deserve to feel joy and happiness. I am a survivor, and I am proud of my strength. I am releasing fear and embracing love. I am learning to trust myself and others. My past does not define my worth or my future. I am lovable, worthy, and capable. I am healing more and more each day. I am stronger than any challenge that comes my way. I give myself permission to feel, express, and release my emotions. I am committed to the journey of healing my inner child. I am turning my wounds into wisdom. I honor and respect my inner child's journey, knowing I am on a path of healing and growth. I surrender to the answer to all questions, love.